Welcome to the eBusiness Boss channel. For any of you that don't know me, my name's Nick, and today I'm going to show you 5 t-shirts that bring in really easy money with print on demand. So yeah, I wanted to make this video because print on demand is something we do within our business, within our online business, and it's a great way to make some easy money. You don't need an awful lot to get started, and yeah, it's a passive income stream that we really enjoy. If you are new here, make sure you consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notifications bell. That way you'll be the first to know about useful videos just like this. And we are committed to bringing out a useful video every single week. Right, let's get into the video. So what are you actually going to learn from watching this video? Well, I'm going to show you 5 t-shirt designs that are making easy money at the moment. They're not complicated, and you could probably copy these designs and make fairly good money. The reason I want to show you 5 designs that are working well is to show you that print on demand really isn't difficult. So all of the designs I'm showing you are designs that are performing really well on Merch by Amazon. I am also going to talk to you about the best platforms you can use for print on demand. So whether you're a beginner or you're looking to create quite a serious business, so a little bit more advanced stuff. I'm going to finish by showing you how you can actually create a viral t-shirt idea. And you could use this method to actually start making money today. I'm actually really excited about it, and yeah, I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So let's start with the first t-shirt. Doesn't look too amazing, does it? I mean, no, it is a American flag with a fishing rod inside it. So this t-shirt, over the course of a year, as it stands, is doing over $40,000 in gross sales. So by putting that on the Merch by Amazon platform, so let's say you're making a royalty of 20%, which is around about right, you'll be making $8,000 a year. So that's quite impressive. And the thing I really like about it is they have taken 2 interests and brought them into one idea. So it's called intersecting. So they've taken people that are patriotic by using the flag, and they've taken people that like fishing. If you've got a clear idea with 2 intersects like this, you can really start to build a picture of the sort of person you're targeting, which will make life easy for you later on. And I'll tell you exactly what I mean. T-shirt idea number 2. So this one is a sort of birthday inspired niche for 50-year-olds that were made in 1970. So it's a very simple design. I'm not sure if you could do this one yourself using a free tool like Canva, but you could certainly find someone to maybe create this for you for no more than $5 really. This one design, as it stands, is doing over $38,000 a year in gross sales. So that's a royalty, roughly speaking, of about $7,600 from one t-shirt. Think about it. If you know how to find the niches you want to serve, so ideas like this, how long do you think it takes someone to actually create a design like this? Well, if you're outsourcing it, you'll probably get it back in a day. So maybe you're going to invest $5, and over the course of a year, you could turn that $5 into $7,600. You can see why so many people do print on demand. It's an amazing business model. T-shirt idea number 3. So this looks to me like an anime sort of Japanese niche. A bit weird. Looks quite cool. But yeah, they're doing quite well. So over $38,000 a year in gross sales. Again, $7,600 royalty on that one design. It's something I probably wouldn't make myself, just because I don't really have a strong understanding of the anime or Japanese culture. And although it's not essential, it does help. It really does help if you've got a solid understanding of the type of person that might be buying that t-shirt. I'm going to explain to you shortly why that's so important. So yeah, let's move on to t-shirt idea number 4. So this is for teenagers that are really into gaming. Again, there's quite a clear target customer there. A teenager that likes gaming. So instantly, if you were trying to find people to market to, you could be targeting the parents of somebody like this. So again, a very simple design, something I'm pretty sure you probably could make on something like Canva. Over $36,000 a year in gross sales, royalty at 20%, passive income $7,000 a year. Pretty impressive. I thought I'd finish on this one because this is an idea that I would advise you not to do. And that's because it's based on a character out of a movie called Emperor's New Groove. So anything to do with movies or music, I would say completely avoid. Amazon will see this after a while, or somebody will complain about it, and you risk having your Merch by Amazon account shut down. So it's just not worth it. But this person at the moment is making over $30,000 a year in gross sales. And yeah, that would be about a 20% royalty of $6,000 per year. So yeah, it's all quite impressive. From one listing, from one t-shirt idea, you can make these sorts of numbers. And if you're working a full-time job at the moment, well, how many of those t-shirts would you need to put out for you to cover your salary? Probably not too many, unless you're absolutely coining it, in which case, well played. So now we're getting on to the interesting stuff. I am going to show you, by the way, how I've actually found these t-shirt ideas. So I use a bit of software. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, and yeah, I will go into detail on that. Yeah, so the software we use is called Merch Informer. I'll leave a coupon below in the description, which will allow you to save 20% every month that you want to use it if you decide to use it. The coupon is EBOSS20, and that will get you 20% off. It is an affiliate link and coupon, so if you do use it, we make a commission. It's how we keep these entertaining, useful videos coming. So let's move on to the really interesting stuff. Merch by Amazon is a great platform to get started with print on demand, but it's much bigger than that. So I've separated these into two categories. One for existing traffic. So when I'm saying existing traffic, I'm talking about existing marketplaces that you can put your t-shirt designs on and they already have their own traffic coming through. So if you are a Merch by Amazon seller, you should seriously consider loading up your design ideas on TeePublic, Spreadshirt, and Redbubble, because it's free to do. You don't have to manage them really too much. You can put them up and just enjoy the royalties. So all you need is t-shirt designs and a little bit of expertise. So the more advanced people out there, and I'm going to cover this in a little bit more detail because I want to show you how you can create a viral t-shirt idea. The advanced people, you might use Etsy, Teespring, or Printful. Now, Etsy does have its own traffic, quite a lot of it, but it does require quite a lot of ongoing management, customer service, and yeah, I'd say you have to be well placed. It has to really suit you. You have to have quite a bit of time on your hands to run a successful Etsy store. Teespring and Printful don't have existing traffic really. They require you to drive your own traffic. So driving traffic, some people think, is incredibly difficult and incredibly expensive. They'd be right. If you don't know what you're doing, it is. But I'm going to show you a method that you can use to find your own existing traffic and use one of these websites to make some serious money. So how you can create a viral t-shirt. 4 simple steps. Number 1, you need to find a passionate community. So you'll see the t-shirt on screen is the mix between an American flag and a monster truck. So I have found a community of people that like monster trucks and they're also quite patriotic. That's an intersect. It's much easier to target people like this. So start with something like that. Now, you'll see the logo below, that's NRA, stands for, you probably know, the National Rifle Association. So I'll show you why that's relevant. Once you've found a passionate community, create a unique t-shirt design for them, like the one you can see. Upload it onto Teespring, and we're sort of 70% of the way. From there, you're going to need to drive some traffic, and I'm going to show you how to do this, but we want to be targeting the ideal type of customer using a Facebook ad. So let's jump into another screen and I'll show you how I would go about figuring this out. Okay, so I've gone onto Teespring and I've just typed in monster trucks, and you can see loads of people are already going after people in these niches. So that's not really the exciting part. The exciting part I want to show you that's really simple to do is how you can actually get inside the minds of someone that might want to buy this t-shirt. So if you've got a Facebook ad account, you'll be able to do this right away. If not, they're free to create, so go ahead and do it. And then, resume this video so I can show you how to do it. Now, first of all, before we target these people with a Facebook ad, we want to get inside their minds. So all I've done here under Audience Insights is I've entered the United States because that's where Teespring can ship orders to. I think they can do it worldwide, but we're just doing the US because lots of people in the US are on Facebook. And I've typed in monster truck. So I want to know what type of people on Facebook like or have the interest monster truck. Facebook Audience Insights gives you some really, really important data. So we can see here 54% of them are men. 30% of these people are between the ages of 25 to 34. Another 30% between the age of 35 and 44. So instantly, if we create a Facebook ad, what I would usually do is create a Facebook ad with 5 different ad sets. So each of your ad sets will hold different targeting options. So we could create one ad set to target men between the ages of 25 to 34 that have an interest in monster truck. That's nice and easy. We've taken the interest monster truck, and by using Audience Insights, we found the most popular segment, and that's one ad set. But we can go further than that. So we could also look on this section to see what pages on Facebook that they actually like the most. So here, Trucks Gone Wild, Monster Jam, Diesel Dave, Midwest Streetcars. So the top 2, these are really relevant. There's loads of other useful information that Facebook tell us about this type of person. So this is gold. Can you see now how people are making so much money using print on demand? It's this type of method. Facebook ads are the answer. So if we wanted to go about actually setting up a Facebook ad, you go into your campaign manager. Obviously, you're going to need an ad account, and click website. And this is where we can start putting in some of the information we've been talking about. So United States, okay, we're targeting the right place. And let's have a look. So we want to change the age. We'll go between 25 and 34. We'll keep it male and female. 25, 34. So the more accurate we can make this targeting, the less money you're going to waste. Can you see why that's such an important part of understanding how to run Facebook ads? We want to target the exact type of person that would be very interested in buying this shirt. So let's have a look. Back in page likes, we also want Trucks Gone Wild. So, or Monster Jam. Yeah, we'll go Trucks Gone Wild. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, we're down to around about 200,000 people, which I think is quite good for an ad set. And I would go ahead and continue. You can go back and add more ad sets if you want. Start with maybe a budget that you're comfortable with. If you get great results and you're getting people going through and buying your shirt design, then you can optimize. You can increase your budget by adjusting it. But I would say if it's performing well, increase it very slowly. Facebook ads are complicated, but you learn most by just getting started and taking action, because that's exactly what I did. We use Facebook ads for all sorts of reasons, and 4 or 5 years ago I didn't really know anything about them, but I've learned by doing. So this is how we can target people. We've got pretty specific here, and I've just shown you inside our process of how we find a target customer for a t-shirt design like this. So let's jump back into the presentation and we'll finish things off. Okay, so I hope you found that useful, and if you did, leave a comment below and let me know that you did, because we want to make useful content for you guys. So if this is the sort of stuff you enjoy and you find useful, then we want to know about it. So now I've just realized I didn't mention in the Facebook targeting this, which is NRA, stands for National Rifle Association. So it was just another idea for an ad set. So we can target people that like the NRA on Facebook, because chances are they're patriotic. We could even ask that we target people that like the NRA and like Trucks Gone Wild. Can you see why that person is particularly likely to like this sort of shirt design? Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you are already a subscriber, you'll notice we're still at home, waiting on the new office. Hopefully, any day now we'll be moving in, but we're patient. So, guys, if you're struggling and you've got any questions, leave a comment below and one of us will see if we can help you out. This is what this channel is about, helping you guys out. So, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. There will be more useful content coming from us very soon. Thanks for watching.